Hello everyone. Today we are going to start your chapter 16. Your chapter 15 is your activity, a visit to St. Nicholas. St. Nicholas was transformed as a Santa Claus, and you all have to write. The topic for your activity will be how St. Nicholas changed or transformed as a Santa Claus. That will be your topic, and you have to make an activity related to Christmas, Santa Claus, with pics and all informations. Now we are going to start your chapter 16, Bian Lian. Oh my God, what's this? Who are you? Now this is scary. How did your mask change? Sammy, who is that boy? That's my cousin Daksh. He performs various art forms, and this one is Bian Lian. Bian Lian, what's that? You'll understand once we read the story. Now here, students are reading story. Arjun stared mesmerized at the beautiful decorated stage in the dimly lit theatre. The music had already started, and the audience was eagerly waiting the start of the opera. Arjun gave a low gasp as an actor came on the stage. He was wearing brightly colored clothes and moved to quick dramatic music that caught everybody's attention. Was the pace at which the artist changed his marks. Each mask change was made with the speed of lightning and was almost imperceptible. How exactly is he doing that? Arjun asked, looking at Abhinav. His eyes widened. See, he did it again and again and again. What is this? Some kind of magic? Now Arjun thought this was a magic, but Abhinav know everything about it. Shh, Abhinav said, not taking his eye off the artist. Can't you simply enjoy the show first? This is an ancient Chinese art form. Artists have come all the way from China to perform it. Arjun turned and concentrated on the show. It was spellbinding. The artists were performing a Chinese version of Robin Hood. Every time Robin Hood saw the policeman, he changed his mask within a fraction of a second, with a twist of the neck and the flip of his wrist. The loud and dramatic music was a perfect backdrop to the story, which kept Arjun enthralled to the end. Now, when they were watching this dramatic Bian Lian, then they were completely mesmerized. उन्हें कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि ये किस तरीके से वो उसका जो मुखौटा था वो बदल ले रहा है और इतनी जल्दी. On the way back home, Abhinav said, what you saw today is called Bian Lian. An ancient Chinese art form. Bian Lian means face changing. मतलब Bian Lian का मतलब ही होता है कि face change करते रहना. It really is a unique skill. Do you know how they do it? Arjun asked, putting on a seat belt. अर्जुन ने अभिनव से पूछा, क्या तुम्हें पता है कि वो किस तरीके से करते हैं? Well, the masters don't really like sharing their techniques, but I have read about it. Abhinav said, starting the car. There are 4 ways of face changing. Blow dust. The actor blows dust, black dust hidden in his palm, and close his eyes, nose or mouth so that it obscures his face. Beard manipulation. Beard colors can be changed while the beard is being manipulated from black to grey and finally to white, expressing anger or excitement. Downing mask. The actor can pull down a mask which has previously been hidden on the top of his head, changing his face to red, green, blue, black to express happiness, hate, anger or sadness respectively. Face dragging. The actors drag grease paint hidden in his sideburns or eyebrows across his face to change his appearance. All this, that's simple. I'm sure that even I could do that, Arjun said enthusiastically, sipping his cold coffee. First of all, put the lid back on your coffee. You are not supposed to eat or drink anything in my car, Abhinav said, turning onto the slip road for the highway. It took me 4 hours to clean the car when you spilled your cold drink last time. Secondly, simply knowing the trick is not enough. This art, like any other art form, needs rigorous training and devotion, Abhinav said, glancing in the rear view mirror as he had changed lanes on the highway. That's true. Did you see how quickly their masks change? So every boy and girl knows this art is in China, Arjun asked, putting his coffee back in the holder. No, Bianlian is an important subgenre of the Chinese Sichuan opera. The secret of the face change has been passed down from one generation to the next. Within families, traditionally only males were permitted to learn Bianlian. The theory being that women do not stay within the family and would marry out. Increasing the risk, the secret would be passed to another family, Abhinav told Arjun. By this time, they had reached home. Abhinav parked the car and Arjun hopped out. Really? Arjun asked, taking a sip of his cold coffee. Not exactly. In recent years, there have been a few female performers as well, but it is still a well-guarded art form, Abhinav said. अभिनव अर्जुन को बता रहा है कि वो सिर्फ मेल परफॉर्मर्स ही उसको करते हैं, फीमेल परफॉर्मर्स को अलाउ नहीं किया जाता, क्योंकि फीमेल परफॉर्मर्स अगर ये सीख जाएंगे तो वो शादी करके दूसरे घर में चले जाएंगे एंड देयर सीक्रेट विल बी रिवील्ड. बट वो ये चीज नहीं चाहते. बट कुछ सालों में, रिसेंट ईयर्स में ऐसा हुआ है कि फीमेल परफॉर्मर्स को भी उसमें जगह दी जाती है. When they went into the house, Granny was ready with her questions. Where did you boys go today? She asked eagerly. Granny, Abhinav took me to watch a Chinese opera. Bianlian, Arjun said, hugging his grandmother. Bianlian, said Granny. I have read about it and watched it on television once. It's amazing, Abhinav. I had loved to have gone with you. She sounded disappointed. Abhinav sat next to his grandmother and put his head on her lap. Sorry, Granny, you were sleeping when we left. There is one more show on Saturday. It is a matinee performance and I have already booked tickets for it. I knew that you would love to see it. We'll go then. I promise, Abhinav said. Overcome with immense love for her grandchildren, Granny touched Abhinav and Arjun's face and smiled. Okay, boys, dinner is all set. You have it and then do the dishes. I have already had mine and I am off to bed now, Granny said, getting up from the couch. Good night, Granny, Arjun said. Good night, Pumpkin, Granny said. Abhinav, I am already looking forward to Saturday. She blew a kiss as she went upstairs. Lian, what a fine art, she said. मतलब ग्रैंड मदर को भी बहुत इंटरेस्ट था बियानलियन शो देखने के लिए. उसने अभिनव और अर्जुन से ये कहा कि वो भी उनके साथ में मैटिनी शो देखने, जब सैटरडे को वो होगा तब वो उनके साथ में जाएगी. और इसको क्योंकि उन्होंने टेलीविजन पे ऑलरेडी देख रखा था तो शी वॉज वेरी फैसिनेटेड विद दैट और शी वॉन्टेड टू सी इट एक्चुअली. तो इसीलिए उसने अपने ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन से ये इंसिस्ट किया कि वो भी उनके साथ बियानलियन का शो ओपेरा देखने जाएगी. दैट्स ऑल अबाउट योर चैप्टर. क्वेश्चन आंसर्स विल बी गिवन टू यू आफ्टरवर्ड्स. थैंक यू.